podcast lab. My name is Fitri, class 12 TKJC. Here I will present the result of my internship proposal.
Background: Flight War Training (PKL) is a from-in-film plan with the aim of being able to train students' abilities in the industrial world. The implementation of PKL is carrying out so that students can understand and most who face the activities competition are in addition. PKL help students to get profession in facing the world of work later. PKL is given to the student tertial keyboard and more broadly in skills as placing in the field of technology and science. On the other hand, PKL can help improve the quality and quality of SMK so the students can directly implement the material they get in school. Mini market is a type of business that combines the concept of a small-scale supermarket with the same target market as the traditional market. The goal of Minimart is increasing profit in Indonesia, especially in Jawa Pampang SB Usrat, which is now an as target for local business for free. Anissa Minimart has quality, completion, facilitas like similar Minimart in the first Minimarket inflation and point of sale cash ringgit system and BRI Brilling. Sale of the sale point of sale is a point of sale where buyers and sellers make pay for goods of TV benefit. The seller will charge the total price for the by submission and issue a reason for the purchase which is usually like a refit. Objective PKL. The purpose of the plan was fashioned into Gunung. Instant and objective. Learn the real world process. The goal has 7 parts, namely 1. The first goal of PKL for students is that students can implement the material they have received in school. 2. The school goal of PKL for students is to form a competitive mindset for PKL students. 3. The training goal of PKL for students is to train students to community or industry formation in the real world of work. 4. The fourth goal of PKL for students is to form a good work ethic for students. 5. The fifth goal of PKL for students is to end-to-end develop the best content password by PKL students according to their respective fields. Brief profile of the company institution where the internship is located. Treating we a compact of 200.000 tubuh a unsen on station sling or the host of local ration. After several years of sling, they turned to buy a small figure in Pampang Shoe Usrat, hamlet of Half in Pampang Darat, RT9 RW 4, which is on the other side of. After walking the well, figure named Choco Anissa dared to sell out cows, choose a contest by school in front and on her course. After studying for small months, once stand guarding the wagon on that to look for Emily to help cool the fear after the running of the Anissa figure was opening only the friends that come from this grief and intent to remove the Anissa figure after running for 2 miles. The figure are get bigger and blue and brass figure in Pampang SB Usrat ham on the end market troll Toko Anissa pas running for years. Toko Anissa pass the province and getting more and the not garden and plan to charge the characters named to Anissa Mat Cartier Art. Main business plan activities. The main tax and purchase of Anissa Mart include 1. Slash of customer code. Anissa Mart slave fire customer code such as for drink and oyster calls. 2. Sale of non-customer code. Anissa Mart also sell non-customer codes such as touchney, cleaning, advent, and trust. 3. Stock management. Anissa Mart must make stock to ensure the availability of goods. 4. Finality agreement. Anissa Mart must make finish to ensure business continuity. 5. Hagman Raslan Magneman. Anissa Mart must manage ham calls to ensure quality of service. Student duties and responsibility during PKL. Tax during PKL for sick mentors are saving the cost and record of the vendor-made internship. 1. Charging out tax and war ordering to the job destination. 3. Collecting data and information related to work. 3. Analyzing and evaluating the work phases. 4. Making reports on program and resolution of internship. 5. Following intention for the store. Training interface for PKL for 6 months in training store completely. 1. Resting for HT and formulation. 3. Maintain the quality and quality of work. 3. Restricting workers and reference. 4. Following store rules and forcing. 5. Using store ration amplitude. Obstacles faced and efforts to solve them. hostling during 6 months internship. 1. Drastically adapting to the work environment through lack of work experience. 3. Ligament canal and cyclist. 4. Non-finite computation. 5. Ligament and schools. Selection effort during PKL 6 months. 1. Current unclear work plan and close. 2. Seek guidance for a mentor or superior. 3. Develop skill and knowledge. 4. Influence communication with workers. 5. Magnetity and variety. The reduce anxiety by students. There are several roles the student can earn during break or freeze PKL at Anissa Mat. 1. Improving variation skill. Students can foresee the 3 they have learned in school by doing 3 for a market. 2. Developing communication skills. Students can work customer work and storming 3. Improving the communication skill. 3. Improving the management skills. 4. Developing the skills students can work at the work to achieve pandemic goals and targets. 5. Informing knowledge about mini market optimization. Students can understand the mini market operational process for managing stock to skills. Calculation of the overall implementation of PKL. Framework version PKL is a very useful activity for students so that they can get to know more about how it plays to defeat discrepancy into the world of war and learn how to work in the world of war well. They will be understand and to the expectation of a student. By acting out plain work PKL, students can work their hands on the business activities in the photo and can fit out the competency that they will be on job opportunities and job opportunities. Suggestion for improving the implementation of PKL in the future. Small suggestion for us students who will be doing framework version activity and Anissa Mat in the coming years. Namely, 1. Always be honest. 2. Be diligent and not lazy. 4. Comply with the rules and regulations that have been set by the store. 4. Maintain the code name of SMK Negeri 1 Jawai. 5. Play an active role in every activity.
Okay, that's all I can say. More or less, I'm sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.